In a fresh development in the Sarda scam case, the CBI has moved Supreme Court seeking arrest and custodial interrogation of former Kolkata Police Commissioner Rajiv Kumar. CBI moved the apex court saying that the former top cop of the state has not been cooperating in the probe. Last year, Calcutta High Court had granted Kumar bail in the month of October. The latest development is coming in at a very crucial moment as Rajiv Kumar is considered close to Mamata Banerjee, and this application has political significance in view of the upcoming elections in West Bengal. Kumar was a key member of the SIT set up by West Bengal government for probing the scam before the Supreme Court handed the case over to CBI in 2014 along with other chit fund cases. Anisha joins us on the phone line. Anisha, the heat is now on the Mamata Banerjee government, clearly in the middle of the tussle with the BJP with this particular development that is coming in.
Well, yes, Chetty, remember the CBI has now once again, after almost 1 year, filed a fresh application seeking custodial interrogation of former Kolkata Police Chief Rajiv Kumar, and has said that there is, despite court orders, there is still deliberate scuttling of the investigation in the Sarda scam case, and that is why they've once again pushed that the contempt case that they had filed last year, there should be a contempt proceeding against the police officials of the SIT who had been investigating the Sarda probe before it was handed over to the CBI. What is interesting is that the CBI has once again, after a gap of almost 1 year, said that the Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate and the SIT are causing concealment and disappearance of evidence that had been collected by them when they were investigating the matter, and that the officials who've been questioned have remained evasive, and for every question that is asked to them, they say that whatever that is being asked is already on record. They've also the CBI has also alleged that they have not made all the material evidence available. Now, what's important to note is that these are similar allegations had been raised also last year when the Supreme Court had ordered the Kolkata police to cooperate with the CBI for the investigation. But once again, even as we're seeing major political tussle in West Bengal over the upcoming elections, the CBI has filed this petition in which it has also made available certain aspects of the investigation done so far, raising allegations of contacts between senior TMC members as well as people in the West Bengal government with the Sarda scam investigation, alleging that there is an order from the top to scuttle the investigation, and the people who are involved in the Sarda scam are being given political patronage. Now, it remains to be seen how the court is going to take note of this application by the CBI for custodial interrogation of the former top cop, as well as contempt against several other persons. But the matter will be heard once the Supreme Court comes back to work after the winter vacation, that is in the first week of January.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Anisha, for joining us with the latest details right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.